welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what's in the box and a quick overview of the IC-MEP non-destructive moisture meter. The IC-MEP is a versatile and accurate tool that can be utilised by many different industries, including flooring installation, building inspection, surveying and pest control. This unit uses 3 ranges of sensitivity and a deep penetration signal to provide moisture readings and evaluations without causing any damage to the material that is being tested. The display screen is large and easy to read, but you can also freeze any reading if you are in a position that makes it difficult to access the display. In the box is some paperwork, including a calibration certificate and a quick start guide. The guide has information on operation, scale use, calibration and warranty. A sturdy case with a wrist strap and handle. And the moisture meter with an intuitive 3-button design, 3 measurement scales and an analog wood moisture and comparative scale. There's a wrist strap, 2 moisture sensors and a battery compartment on the rear. To open the battery compartment, you'll need a screwdriver. Place a screwdriver in the gap and act as a lever to open the battery compartment. The device comes with one 9-volt battery already installed. The 3 buttons are on, scale and hold/audio. On turns the device on. Pressing scale allows you to flick through the 3 available measurement scales. And the third hold/audio has 2 functions. A single press will turn the hold function on or off. Hold mode is indicated by the flashing LED light. And a double click of the hold/audio button will turn the high moisture alarm on or off. And that's what's in the box and a quick overview of the IC-MEP non-destructive moisture meter. If you would like to see how to take a measurement or how to create a moisture map using the IC-MEP, see the video links in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.